Am I rolling? I am rolling. What's up? Yes, boy. Oh boy over here dressed up as Glenn.
Jamming out, bro.
Hell yeah. You like that? You like it?
Yeah, it's like a dope.
He's such an awkward son of a bitch. Yeah, there's a shitload of people here. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. What's up, baby boy?
What's up, dude? Where'd you get that Care Bear?
The internet? What? Yes! Are you serious? Look at this. Yeah. All right, it's on and popping tonight. We're going places I'm not gonna tell you. We're gonna do things I'm also not gonna tell you. Yeah. The fuck is that? Oh, it's that dickhead. Dude, if he's gonna be pulling that shit, we're gonna have a bad time. Oh man, it's so nice out here, dude. Wheelies, that's the scariest shit I've ever seen. Dude, that is the funniest thing I've seen today. That is so solid. What's up, sir? Oh! Oh! Hell yeah. Oh, every time, dude. The police are coming. The police are coming.
Bitch! I got hoes calling a young nigga phone. Where's Ollie with the motherfucking dog? Bitch! I be ballin' like a mother.
Yeah, boy. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, it is. This is awesome.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I did. It was right fucking here. Of course I got it, dude.
Look.
That is the wildest fucking thing.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Oh, that's my dude with peaches, man. Fucking ruined me.
I be ballin' like my nigga Mo. Bitch, check West, I ain't a motherfucking joke. Steph West, stay with the fucking pole. You fuck around and get pulled.
Oh my god. Woo. That was a bit close.
Bitch, 'cause I got hoes so fucking calling a young nigga phone. Where's Ollie with the motherfucking dog? I be ballin' like a motherfucking pro.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that was sick.
I do it all. Call me